Ed Lehman Upfit here with an install video of some SUPAREE lights we got for a special Jeep. We'll get to that in a few minutes. Here's what we got. I already opened these once. They did a good job, but these are some SUPAREE JK headlights and a sticker, directions, and fog lights. Because this Jeep doesn't even have any fog lights in it, so it's a huge upgrade. And these are all halo. So we'll be able to change the colors on them. Pretty easy install. Woohoo! Wire them up. You got the app we got to download onto the phone for the controller. Well, so we'll get these in, see how cool they look. The factory headlights are gone, and it's got some oddball aftermarkets that are already in there. They work, but there's no halo. So these are going to be LED with halo in sweet matching halos in the fog lights. So Seth will get cracking on this one while I'm eating a snack. Teamwork makes the dream work. So Seth's pulling these out, and a lot of times these rings, these little tabs will break off of them. So ahead of time, I went ahead and got some, and I got them in black. But this one came off without any breakage. The plastic pieces behind them always go to poop, so I got those too. They're right there. I'll leave a link in the description. This one here's left hand, it's the driver's side. So I'll leave a link in the description. These were on Amazon, they were cheap. So a lot of times I like to get them before you tear them apart. We stock these, they're just cheap Amazon ones, but if you need them, the link will be in the description. So will the link for them lights. So Seth's got one light out, and he's cracking along to the next one. And they do come with adapters that plug into your factory harness, and then it gives you over to the 3-pin for these lights, plug and play, no wire cutting, none of that. And then you've got your module that Seth's wiring in now. He's gonna rough run wires now, and then we will clean them up on our own time. And these have the, right there, the RGB halo kit on the headlight and the fog light. So far, I'd say they're a super nice light for less than 150 bucks on Amazon. So just like that, the new headlights are installed, wires are getting ran, and it's moving on to fog light time. They look pretty much kind of like the headlight, LED with the same halo. So this Jeep can go to its next owner and look cool. Speaking of its next owner, I'll tell you about it. So we built this Jeep for Sarah's mom, G-Ma we call her, because whenever we had our first kid, Seth, she didn't want to be called Grandma because that would make her old. So she went with G-Ma. So now for 23 years, she's been G-Ma. So I call this Jeep the G-Wagon. So we've always called it the G-Wagon since I've got it. So we've had to put a new drivetrain under it, new chassis, actually new everything. It's kind of a new JK other than the fact that it's an old JK on the outside. It's an 11. So we're gonna give it to her for Christmas. So these lights are going in that for her. Make it even more special. She'll be rocking some halos. Come on, baby, light my fire. So we got these lights installed, headlights, fog lights, and now Seth's got the app on here that controls them. So check out the app.
So here's the app. So here are some of the modes it has. There's 92 different presets. And you can change either how fast they spin, you can make them slower, change if they flash, or brightness level of them.
Well, that's pretty fancy. Can I just make them purple and solid?
You can.
Oh, there we go. Solid whatever color you want.
Yep.
I can customize my color. I can go blue, or I can go mix it in the middle, make it a little bit more darker. Ooh, that's kind of cool, isn't it? I'd do that. Ooh, I'd do green like. Money, Mr. Krabs, money. Right there you go, Seth. Boom, shakalaka. That's set ready for your color right there. Woo! All right, so now let's check out the actual headlights, huh? Halo. That's a lot of light right there, isn't it? That's what you need. That's all of it. What else? We got some halo action. Ooh. If you're just hanging out, Jimo's gonna like that. Should be the talk of the neighborhood. So apparently on the app here, you can have it go to music or you can sing to it. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. So there's only two things left to do. Take it outside, drive it at night, and see how bright they are. In the shop, they're pretty sweet, but you can't really tell until you get it outside. Then the next thing, give this sucker away. So come join us for outside first, then giving it away.
So quiet. I know.
Got you a Jeep.
No.
Yeah?
Sitting out there. What?
Yeah.
It's time to retire the Escape.
Yeah?
I am totally overwhelmed.
And the last part of testing these headlights out is at nighttime. Check out those halos. Christmas flavor. Now let's check out the headlights and the fog lights. Those are bright. Those are so bright. So bright you can see at night, folks. Woo-wee! So there they are. If you need some LED headlights and fog lights for your JK, links in the description. Super bright LEDs, and they got halos to make you look cool. So links in the description. Have a good one.